everyone, I'm Ivor. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to do the 3D photo effect on TikTok with Capcut app, available for Androids and iPhone. First step is to download the Capcut app. Fun fact, Capcut is owned by TikTok, so it's literally made for TikTok. There are a lot of songs on TikTok that you can choose for this effect, but I chose this one and it's got 5 seconds at the front. For me, I prepared 70 photos because I did it all in 0.5 seconds instead of 0.2 and all that. I just did all in 0.5 seconds because I want my photos to be shown longer. First step, you gotta select a song that you want from TikTok. Go to Explore page and search for hashtag 3D photo and search for the videos with the song that you want. Save the video down and we'll use it later on Capcut. Open up Capcut and add a new project. Add a video that you want to be in the first 5 seconds. And at the bottom, click Canvas. Select the ratio 9:16 because that's the TikTok video ratio. Now add an overlay and select the video that you just saved from the TikTok video that has the same sound that you want to. Okay, now that you have a random TikTok video on your timeline, it's okay, you just gotta go to the bottom and choose opacity and slide it all the way to 0. This is how you hide the video but you still use the song. So what you're gonna do is to trim the video at the part where before the beat drops. So you gotta listen to the songs. So according to the song beat, this is where I need to stop. Now just delete the rest of the video and upload the 17 photos from your album. Now you gotta expand and resize the photo to the frame. Here comes the most important part, is to click on the photo and at the bottom search for style and tap on 3D zoom. Your Capcut app has to be the most latest because you wouldn't find it in your older apps. Once the effect is applied, it will look something like this. Now the final touch is to trim every photo into 0.5 seconds. And then just do the same trimming steps to the rest of the photos. And once you're done, it will look something like this. So that's all I got for you guys. If you guys have any questions, just leave comments down below. Like and subscribe if you want to. And until then, stay safe and take care.